What up, world? I'm Steve. You guys are the Crypto Crew, and this is where we keep crypto simple and easy to understand. Today, we have a very powerful video, the 10 best trading days for Bitcoin in 2018. If you guys are new, we welcome you into our crew. Hit that button right now. You definitely want to subscribe and turn on that bell for those fresh new videos, and welcome in everybody. What I want to start with is a little bit differently than normal. I want you to think about a trade you recently made in crypto that just turned into a terrible idea. Think about what that trade was. What were you buying? And what was that feeling of that slap in the head, like, I can't believe I made that buy? What was that feeling of losing money? Guys, I don't want you to experience that again. I have 17 years experience in the stock market. I have proven systems that are step-by-step that work. My classes are powerful and will change everything for you in crypto. So sign up right now. Those are linked below, and I'm going to help you make that huge change, because I don't want to see you losing those trades. All right, everybody, let's jump into the video. And this one is going to be different than some other videos I've done, but this is something I'm really passionate about, and I want to help you guys. The reality is 90% of investors fail. That means if you go to a Bitcoin conference and you're in a room and everybody's happy and you can see everybody's pretty educated in crypto, and let's say there's 100 people there, 90 of those people are going to fail. Only 10 are going to survive. I want you guys to be the 10. So this video that I'm going to share with you today is very powerful because it answers the question of, when are the 10 best days? Isn't that what everybody wants to know? I just want to know the easiest route. I want to invest in these days and make a lot of money, right? Let me share with you guys some really powerful information, and it's going to become really clear to you after, and this is going to be a video that you remember tomorrow. You're going to remember this video next week, and you might remember this video a few months from now. It's going to be that impactful on every day for you. All right, there's 3 reasons why people fail. Like I said, the 90% fail. There's 3 reasons why. Number 1, they don't use a proven strategy. Number 2, they use emotion. And number 3, they try to time the market. I tried to time the market. So I got into the stock market back when I was 16 years old. And you guys know I didn't grow up with much money, so my parents had no idea what the stock market really was. And I got into the stock market right before the dot-com bubble. And we were on a road like this, similar to probably a lot of you guys when you got into crypto. I got in and I lost half my net worth as a 16-year-old, which that's tough to swallow, because I was planning on paying for my university because I knew my parents didn't have money. But I made that money back and I did pay for my university. But let me share with you guys this. The same philosophy is with everything with money. Where is the 10 best days to trade in the stock market? It's going to be the same for the 10 best days in crypto, and the same with any market that has to do with money. Why? Because everything with money is the same because of human psychology. That's why the Fibonacci retracement is so powerful. It's based on human patterns and human psychology. It's the same with Elliott wave theory, if you guys are familiar with that. Why that works, it's patterns with money. So I'm going to share with you this pattern that is incredibly powerful. And it starts with simple concepts. And again, this is going to be something that's going to stick with you. JP Morgan and Charles Schwab did a 20-year study. First of all, I hate JP Morgan, and I'm surprised in myself that I'm speaking about them, but the data is very powerful. So they did this 20-year study on the stock market. In every year, on average, over that 20-year period, people made 8.2% interest. But if they took away the 10 best trading days, the 10 days over a 20-year period, if they took away 10 days, those traders only made about half. They made 4.5%. That means if they were trying to time the market and they didn't have their money in the market, just on those 10 days over 20 years, they only made half. If we take it a step further, they took the 20 best days out over that 20-year period. So 1 day per year, the best 1 day per year, they took that out. People on average made 2.1%. Only 2.1% if they weren't in the market on that one best day out of the whole year. Let's take it one last step. They took the 30 best days. All right, this is a 20-year study. They only took the 30 best days out. If you weren't in the market those days, you're in the red. You lost money every year for 20 years just by not being in the market those days. That's how powerful crypto is. Crypto is like the stock market on steroids. It moves significantly faster. And again, there's only 3 reasons why people fail in crypto. They try to time the market. In fact, you probably clicked on this video because you wanted to try to time the market. You said, oh, Steve's going to show me the 10 best days. I'm going to show you where they are. Because historically, they're always in the same place. If you look at this chart, you could probably see where some of the 10 best days are right now. You can find the 10 best days in the stock market easily as well. Historically speaking, the 10 best days, again, this channel is all about learning and data and research. That's what we're about here. And I love this research and I want it to impact you guys. I don't want to see you guys in that 90 percentile that fails. I want you to be in the 10% that win. That's what this channel is about. So where are the 10 best days to invest? It's simple. Historically speaking, if you take all of the data, the best days to invest in crypto are directly after the worst day to invest in crypto. It's that simple. The best days to invest in crypto are directly after the worst day in crypto. Now, what does that tell you? I want you guys to think about right now a time that you wanted to sell. Think about a time you wanted to sell. Maybe it's recently, maybe it's today, maybe it was last week. Think about that time you wanted to sell. What was the market doing? I guarantee it was going down. The human psychology tells you want to sell when the market's going down. That's when I sold when I was 16 years old, and I made a pretty poor mistake. I tried to time the market. Big mistake. Everybody wants to sell when the market's going down. Why? It's human psychology. If you think about a coin you recently wanted to buy, think about that coin right now. What was that coin you wanted to buy? Maybe it was today or in the past week. Think about that coin. I guarantee that coin was going up. That's why you wanted to buy it. It's just human psychology. Why? Emotion. I told you guys there's 3 reasons why people fail. Emotion is one of them. We have to control emotion. So if you look at, just take this chart for example. This is a period of pretty extreme volatility. These are when the best days happen. We had this huge spike down in Bitcoin. We went up to 20,000. Everybody thought we were going to go to the moon. We had a huge spike down. Look at this spike right here. This is one of the best trading days. Why? Because we went all the way down to 11,000 and then all the way up almost to 16,000 in one day. That's one candle. So if you're selling on the way down here, which a lot of people did, you sold out of the market went all the way down, and you probably bought back in when we started going back up because of human psychology, and then we went back down again. But if you just held, okay, let me make it really simple for you guys. I'll make it really simple. If you're into this market and you're not sure if you should buy or sell, don't do anything. It's that simple. You're going to win more than the people that are trying to time the market, because there's this confidence I had when I was 16 years old. I read a whole bunch of books and I was confident that I was going to beat the market. Similar to a lot of you guys right now. You're confident that you can beat this market even though you don't have experience. It's not going to happen. I had all the confidence in the world and I sold on the way down and I got destroyed. I lost half my net worth at 16 years old. That's the truth, guys. And that's human psychology. So the best days to invest in crypto are directly after the worst days. But in order to be in the market, it's that same rule apply. If we took the best trading days out of crypto, there's not a huge gain. If you're not in the market during those best days in crypto, there's only a handful. 10 or 15 days out of the year in crypto make up the whole gains. 10 or 15 days. If you're out of the market those 10 or 15 days, where's your gains? Where's your gains? You might have broken even. That's the simple part about it, guys. You cannot time the market. You are not smarter than the market. History tells us humans have been using some form of money for a long time, and some form of money always operates the same. If you're trying to time the market, you're going to lose. And if you're using your emotion is like buying on the way up, selling on the way down, buying when everybody else is saying to buy. You can't operate like that. If you're operating like, oh, some YouTubers say that the market is going down, I know what I'm going to do. It seems really simple. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell and then buy back lower. Guys, that does not work. That's going to get you in so much financial trouble. It doesn't work. Believe me. Believe me. Believe me. You cannot outsmart the market. There's no human on planet Earth that can time Bitcoin or any market. You cannot correctly time it, even the most experienced, the most knowledgeable. So I'm making this, I know you guys can feel my passion. I know you can feel my passion, and I want you to succeed. I want you guys to be in that 10 percentile. But you have to do those three things. You have to have a proven system that you follow step by step. You have to. You have to have that. You have to control your emotion. It's really tough to do. Emotion is a money killer. The number one money killer in the world is emotion. And the third thing, you can't time the market. So my classes are all based around those three things. It's all I give you step-by-step powerful strategy. I give you powerful strategies to control emotion, and I teach you how to not time the market. It's really tough because it seems easy. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell now and buy back when it's lower, and then I'm going to make out. I'm going to have all this money. It doesn't work like that, guys. So I wanted to do a different video. I really want to impact some of you guys. We're gonna right now follow up on the market in crypto real quick and give some perspective on what's happening, and then I have a couple of announcements for everybody in the crypto crew. So real quick, we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin chart and what has happened since our last video. Now, if you guys remember our last video, we had talked about the market was looking like it wanted to go up. However, I said very clearly that it was not confirmed. In fact, we had pointed out that these moves last between 1 and 4 weeks. We're not yet 3 weeks in. You can see we crossed on the way down on the 26th, and now it's the 17th. And specifically, we're looking at the stochastics, the stochastic RSI, and we said that the developer, the inventor of the stochastic, said the move is not confirmed until we cross above the 20. So we said that the move wasn't confirmed yet. We went up almost to the 20. We got rejected. Now our momentum is on the way down. We still have maximum a week to see what's going to happen. All right, we don't have a lot of momentum to go down. The price can go down. The RSI is looking pretty enticing, guys. It's pretty enticing. When you have Bitcoin at a 40 RSI in the daily chart, that's pretty good. All right, and our momentum should be going down. Our price might fall. We're trying to hold a critical support of about 8,001. It's a critical level, and it's a critical level on the Fibonacci retracement as well, if you guys pull that up. All my advanced students, you guys know, you guys are experts on the Fibonacci. You guys are experts on Bollinger Bands. You guys are experts on Elliott Wave. To everybody, my advanced classes will be launching in a few weeks. They are going to be so powerful. I can't wait for you to take them. You're going to learn strategies of day trading, swing trading, and investing, but you're going to become experts at the Fibonacci, Elliott Wave, Bollinger Bands, stochastics, MACD, engulfing candles. I can't wait. But really, take your education seriously, guys. Do not try to time the market. Again, if you guys are new and you're not sure what to do, don't do anything. Don't do anything. That's proven to work more than anything, and it'll give you so much less stress, guys. I want to see you be in that 10 percentile, and I don't want to see you checking your phone, looking at the price of Bitcoin in your portfolio. If you look at that several times a day, that's too much stress for you. Don't do that to yourself, guys. We need to look at the bigger picture, and we need to be smarter about each move that we're making in crypto. It always feels like you need to be making some move because everything moves so fast. Where more often than not, you don't need to be doing anything. Really. So I hope that this was impactful. Let me know in the comments, everybody, if you learned something from this video. Share it out as well. Guys, you are a part of this movement in crypto. You're a part of this crypto crew with me. We're going to be one of the biggest channels in crypto. I guarantee it. And you guys are a part of this ride. And it's special to have you here. So share this out. Let's get more people involved with this movement that we're creating. Always being positive. We tell it like it is. We don't do paid advertisement on this channel, unlike a whole bunch of YouTubers. And we're not one of those people like saying Bitcoin's going to the moon. This whole time I've said that we are not in a bull run. So I try to tell it to you guys like it is, and keep it simple. So I hope you guys appreciate it. There's somewhere on the screen right now to follow. If you haven't done that, hit that button right now, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my powerful classes, making that huge change in your crypto life. So thank you guys so much. Give a thumbs up on this video as well, and I will see you on the next video. Peace and love to the crypto crew.